In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check friend requests you sent on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app, navigate to the messaging page, then click on Add Friends icon even at the top right. Then click on three dots. You're gonna find these options hidden from Find Friends, Friend Request I have ignored, and Friends you have recently added, but you won't find the option to check your sent friend request. So what you can do is first take a snap, click on Send to. Over here you're gonna find your friend list. Select all of these and send the snap. Once you send the snap, navigate back to your messaging page. Now open any of the conversation. If the person is not added with you, you're gonna get this kind of pop-up. This person has not added you as a friend yet. This way you can know your pending friend request on Snapchat. So just open each conversation and you're gonna get this kind of pop-up if the friend request is pending. So this way you are able to check friend requests you sent on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.